Welcome back to the shed. We got this guy after breaking him the other day. Busted right here, but I was kind of looking at it and there's a pin. This thing is way too big to be on this desk. Anyways, there's a pin in here that looks like, I don't know, I'll just take it out. It looks like the pin just got pushed in, so it's making this arm loose. So I think if we pull this apart, we could push this pin back in. I looked at the arm. I don't see any cracks or breakages or bendages or anything in it. So I'm hoping it's just that pin, unless it's broken on the inside where the pin goes through. So I'm gonna rip that apart right now. So that looks like it's not broke. That right there looks like it's not bent. That's not cracked there. I see. Pin broke. Oops. Broke. Dang it. I guess the other half of the pin fell out because it's not inside there. So I guess now I go find a pin. Well, that was a lot shorter than I was expecting to get done today. So anyways, the other issue I had was the front end. Back away enough. The toe was out, and I think I just banged it, tightened the tie rods up a little bit, or straightened them, or so. The diffs seem to be working better now. I got 100,000 and a couple squirts of 500,000 in the front, 500,000 in the center, and I got 100,000 in the rear, 500,000 in the center, if I didn't say that right. 100,000 in the rear. The rear, I took, somebody was asking the other day, this one here, is a difference there, thickness. This one here is the stock shim from underneath the crown gear. This is just a standard washer. I would say probably 3 or 4 times thickness than the stock shim. And I took the differential apart, pulled the crown gear off, put this underneath it, everything back together. So now what it's done is it's taken the crown gear and pushed them out closer to the spider gears, and that seemed to work pretty good, because if you watch the other videos, every single time we went out it was a diff issue. So I think I might have that figured out. Everything else seems to be holding up rather well, knock on wood. And I'll get another pin and we'll come back in a few days. I'm sure by the time I get it, I might get a couple of these arms. This one's not cracked, but it has, maybe it is cracked. Is there a screwdriver in there? No, it's not. It's just got a, it's just got a gash in it right here. That's just, it's not a crack, it's just a gash in it. I'll probably get another arm. I'll probably get a couple more arms just to be on the safe side. So anyways, all right, that's it for today. So that's how much broke off. So we went and got some Traxxas that'll fit. The new one, got it all taken apart like you should have to begin with. You gotta take the wing off, you gotta take all the other arm off so you can relieve that pressure. So let's see how it goes back together. There you go. Sorry my bench is big enough. Excuse me. Sorry my bench isn't big enough to put this thing on and work on at the same time. So basically everything's put back together. The wing's back on. I think we're back in business. Charge some charge some batteries. Throw some tires back on her. And we'll see if we can break it again. All right. Cheers.
Эта песня называется Just a Joke.
Someone save me from all I've done. Please don't blame me for all my thoughts. 'Cause everything we can see is just a joke.